Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor. So today I'm here in the city of Las Vegas. That's right, the city of Las Vegas, in a master plan community called Summerlin, in the village called Redpoint. So today we are going to be touring this builder, Woodside Homes. We have two collections here. This is collection 2. Then we have collection 1. So today we are going to focus on collection 1. And we're going to take a look at these two right here. Now the reason why I'm showing you the back of the house, because I want you to see that the garage is in the back. Okay. In collection 1, the garage is in the front. Alright. Also, if you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, stop what you're doing and go ahead and click that subscribe button, because this is the only home or the home channel that's going to do a full video tour and tell you how it is. We're going to educate you and walk you through the process. Alright, so the first one that we are going to get into, let's take a look at this here. Wow, this thing's a beast. Alright. Should we do this one first or this one? Yeah, you know what? Let's do this one right here. So that way we don't get confused. Okay. So that big old pipe right here, that tells you that's for the laundry room. You got a side gate here too, nice. Loving this. Alright. Now, I noticed that we don't have a plaque here. Right? As far as to tell us what model this is. So, there's two models. One that's 1355 and another one 1800 square feet. But we're about to find out when we go inside. Kind of show you the side yard here. Okay. I'm gonna have a piece of paper, but it doesn't. Got the tankless water heater, 2-car garage. Okay, we got coat closet. We're gonna go upstairs. I have a feeling that this one is the 1355 model versus the 1855 model. Let me know in the comments below what you think so far. Yes, this is definitely the 1355 model. So, this is a 3-story, 1,355 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. You got the great deck right here. In a 2-car garage, the starting price, asking price, $439,990. Let's take a look here. Some of the views. Oops. Messing up with the gimbal here. Take a look at all the foundations of the home. Decent sized covered patio. I mean, look, if you got a view like this, this is definitely worth it. You're probably going to end up spending probably about almost 30% with the lot premium. So, $400, add another 30%. So you're probably going to be into it. I don't want to say 30%. I'm going to say probably like 25%. So you'll be into this another what? $80,000 with a healthy budget with the lot premium. Some of these lot premiums, man, they're getting ridiculous. So these are the regular standard gray shaker cabinets. Let's take a look at the quality of these cabinets here. Very standard. This is all just all industry standard right here. I mean, you got the MDFs with the staples. All right. Let's take a look. Okay, give me just a second here. Try to get my bearings. Undermounted sink. So you got your pantry. Okay. I guess not bad of a pantry. What do you do with this space right here? At this point, you might as well build this out. Take this desk right here and move it right here. So, all right. We have our half bath, laundry room in the main. Like I mentioned before, there's a total of 94 home sites, including the models. So we're going to go upstairs here, take a look at the other bedrooms. Ceilings are 9 foot throughout. So in this one, there's just a lot of dead space. You might as well just make this a 2-story home at 1,400 square feet. You do get 42 upper maple cabinets too as well. Now if you're just starting off your career, family, I mean this would be okay. Ah, they put the smart panel box in here. So here's your primary. Got the bathroom. Wow, this is unique. Why wasn't this wall just opened? Oh, okay, I guess they try to keep this separate. Because you had the poop chute right there from the 3rd floor going down. Oh my gosh, did I say the poop chute? That kind of sounds funny. All right, let's take a look at the primary. Oh, primary, I like the primary. You do have this beautiful deck here. Wow. Gorgeous. Look at the fascia boards and the eaves. It's all like just wood. Pressure treated. Had a client was like, oh, could you do something like that? That's very easy to do. Build that future wall right there. That's not as hard to do. Alright, I'm gonna say this room's probably like 13 by like 14. It's not that large. Well guys, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property, if you can see yourself living here. Do you think it's actually worth the asking price? HOAs here in this neighborhood is $79 a month, $48 for the master plan of Summerlin. Then you got a citizen live balance roughly about $7,800. Hey, if you guys want more information about this property, give us a call. We'll be happy to give you all the information you need. There's so much details into this property or in this community. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.